How to add another Gmail account in your Android device. To add another Gmail account to your Android device, you may follow up this step-by-step tutorial and make sure to like this video and also subscribe. So what you can do is you can basically open up the Gmail app or any of the Google associated application on your device and you will be finding it. From here, you can look out for the uh, profile option at the top right of your screen and scroll down and select the option of select another account. So when you go ahead and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, here you will be finding with the list of all the available profiles and also finding an option called add another account. You need to basically tap on that option right here on your screen and choose the type of account that you want to add from Google or selecting Google for Gmail account. So once you tap on it here, it will give you option to set up your another email. Tap on Google or any other email address, Yahoo, etc., and it will start checking your info, providing the security verification of your device if there is any. After that, you need to enter your Gmail address and password when prompted. So open the space right here and it will give you this option. Now in this box right here, you can just go ahead and enter up your email address here and then tap on next. Once you tap on next here, you will be given option to enter your password like this on your screen. So when prompted here, go ahead and provide in your password and just go ahead and tap on next. Once you confirm it up, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions to finish the sign-in process. And once it is completed, you can now switch between your added accounts by tapping on your profile picture again and selecting the desired email address on your from the list. And that's it. So if you'd also like to add another Gmail account in your Android device, these are the methods you can follow up. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.